Since the last Cricut update, I have seen a lot of people online saying, "Oh no, my upload button is gone and it's replaced with this phrases button." Don't worry, your button is still there. Your design space screen might not be expanded all the way. So if you use design space like this, where it's just kind of floating on your screen, I highly recommend clicking this middle button to expand it to fill your whole screen. And then upload is right there. If you still don't see it, it could be the resolution on your computer. Go check that. The other thing I've seen people asking about is there used to be a button in here to turn the grid lines on and off. It's not gone. It always used to be here. There just was a quick button on the corner there. So if you go here and under settings, you can change the language of everything. You can change how you save. You can change your canvas so it's a full grid like I have it now, or a partial grid, and see how that just shows the main 1 inch segmentations, or no grid. You can also change between inches and centimeter. So there's centimeters in a full grid. So all the stuff is still there. You just might have to go to a different place to access it. I hope this helps you with some of the most recent Cricut updates.